this video, I'm going to show you really quickly how to create a Canva template link. This is very important when you are selling the $27 PDF to profit or whatever. It's going to be the name that you're going to rename this product. So you would definitely need to know how to create a template link to share this with your customers so that they will be able to edit this product once you've sold it to you. If there's someone that's watching and you don't have this, you definitely need to go inside of the description and grab yours. This is a great resource to literally take $27 and turn it into $300 a day or more on autopilot. So it's a very good product. But let's go ahead on and get into the tutorial. This is going to be very simple, very quick, and I will also do it twice because I know sometimes people need to watch it again. So you would literally go into your product that you have, and then you will go to the right hand corner here, click share, and then you're going to click see all, and then you're going to click template link. And you need to understand that you must have a Canva Pro account to be able to create a Canva share link. So please keep that in mind. It is very important that you know that you have a Canva Pro account to create a template link. You will click template, then you'll click create template link, and then you will copy it. And then inside of your document, then you would take it and you would actually insert the template link. Access your editable Canva template link, and then you would take it and you would highlight it. And then I'm going to delete this out so you can actually see it get done in real time. You would highlight. Okay, I was trying to delete it. There we go. We're going to try again. You would highlight. Okay, so it doesn't want to let me delete the link. Okay, this is really weird. There you go. And then you would right click and then paste and then click done and then click done again. And now the share link that you've created is here. So do you see how that's done? So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to delete this out so that I can do it twice so that you're able to see how this works. You would click the share upper right hand corner. I need to actually go in here and I need to go delete. I need to delete this template link. I'm going to delete it because I want to show you again from the beginning. So upper right hand corner, click share, see all, template link, create template, copy, and then go here. And then you see that link, click link, right click, paste, done. And now a template link has been created. I'm going to take it out, delete it. Then some people will do a copy link. Anyone with the link, click copy. Then you'll go here. We're going to delete. And then you will click the link here, right click, paste, click done. So now when somebody press on it, they're able to do a copy link. So you have two choices. I think the copy link is easier for people who do not have Canva Pro. If you feel like you want to give the people both, you are more than welcome. The template link just gives them a little bit easier editing. That's all. So